look like Brian. His tattoos that he had so hot.
To start, or what was your thinking about? What do I really want to
I asked him, did he want to address it? And he said, no, it's just fine. Because, as he said, it's not my job.
Yeah.
That's not really my responsibility. As we've heard him say repeatedly in front of Congress or whoever else, he wants to stay in his lane. That's not what he's responsible for. So we didn't change it that way. But what we did do, he gave some remarks opening, as you know, to set the stage. And what we did do is we started with a question of the economy, because it is so strong. It's so strong, including today with the jobs claims, and we've had the retail sales numbers have been so strong.
Resiliency, right?
Resiliency. And so I asked him, is he surprised? Is he surprised at how strong this economy really is?
We certainly have a very resilient economy on our hands. We've got the economy growing strongly. If you think back a year, many forecasts called for the U.S. economy to be in recession this year. Not only has that not happened, growth is now running for this year above its longer run trend. So that's been a surprise, driven largely by consumer spending, driven by a very strong job market with people getting jobs with first high nominal wages, and as inflation has come down, real wages, which is spurring spending. And we've also had inflation coming down. So, it really is a story of much stronger demand. There may be some ways in which the economy less affected by interest rates. It's hard to know precisely, but for example, many companies, any company with bond market access will have termed out its debt, right? And therefore may not be feeling the effects of higher rates.